Hey, so I'm seeing a lot of posts on Facebook on the lawn care pages I'm on. New guys coming in the lawn care hustle or the lawn care business for the first time. They're asking, hey, what kind of clothes y'all wear? Hey, if you're watching this and if you're wondering, it's nothing. Don't make it too hard. So from what you're seeing down here, this is the same stuff I've been wearing since the past 4 years. Okay. This shirt I've been wearing past two lawn care seasons. All right, these boots I'm wearing right here, I got from Tractor Supply. All right, past 3 years. Okay, these jeans I wore them last year. All right, so hey, it's nothing too crazy. Okay, just make sure don't wear your best clothes out there. Just buy something like this where it's your uniform. Okay, I wash it every day just in case you're wondering. All right, you'll see me with a different shirt like my yellow All Coast Lawn Care business shirt, or I'm wearing this one right here. Okay, or I'll just have like a regular plain yellow shirt, for safety. Okay, I always wear a cap. Okay, it doesn't matter what kind of cap you wear, y'all. Just wear a cap to protect you from the sun. iPro, these are from Walmart right here. Okay, they're already like worn out right here, like on the nose rim. Okay, so I'm gonna need some new ones, but any eye pro works, y'all, to protect your eyes. Any ear pro works. I got these from Lowe's or was it Home Depot? One or the other, I forgot what. But these are from 3mm. I got these because it's Bluetooth. I can listen to music from my iPhone or take phone calls with the push of this button right here. Okay, I'll answer the phone right there. All right, so gloves, it doesn't matter what kind of gloves you wear. There's gloves for safety, y'all, like when you're getting tree limbs, picking up debris, all right, or edging or string trimming, all right, all that vibration right there on your hands. Okay, like if you're not used to the string trimming and edging, all that vibration is gonna like numb your hands. They're gonna start to hurt. So it's good to wear gloves to start off with. Okay, but hey, y'all, right here, what you see, past 3 years. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy, all right? Hey, you're done with lawn care, come home, take it off, put it in the washer, all right? In the dryer. Hey, your wife loves to help you out. Just put it in the dryer for you, and you'll be ready the next day, all right, to put everything back on. Okay, so nothing too crazy, y'all. Just remember, though, eye pro, ear pro, and boots, okay? Don't wear sandals, all right? Don't wear sandals or regular shoes, all right? You want some good footwear with some good soles at the bottom, okay? Because if you're like walking sideways, you may be sliding down those ditches, all right? Or if the grass is wet, you may slide, okay? So make sure you have some good soles. These boots right here, y'all, they're from Tractor Supply, all right? These right here, all right? See that? All right? I had these for 3 years already, okay? They're awesome, all right? They're like less than $100, okay? Hey, just safety, all right? Make sure you have good boots, good eye pro, good ear pro. It don't gotta be expensive. It could be Walmart, all right? Lowe's, Home Depot. Okay, just make sure you have something protecting your eyes and protecting that hearing, okay? Hey, that's all I got, y'all. Hope this helped you out, just in case you're wondering what to wear for lawn care. Hey, I wear this one for pressure washing too, all right? I got like beach stains on my shirt already, all right? So, you know what I mean? It's just a work shirt, y'all. That's all it is, okay? When you're done with it, come home, put in the washer, dryer, and you're ready for the next day. All right, hey, hope you liked this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye.
All Coast Lawn Care.